Factoring a perfect square trinomial. A perfect square trinomial can be written as the square of a binomial. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a plus b squared. For given a perfect square trinomial, we're going to factor it into the square of a binomial. First, we need to confirm that the first and the last term are perfect squares. Next, we confirm that the middle term is twice the product of ab. And then we're going to write the factored form of a plus b squared. So for example 4, we're going to factor 25x squared plus 20x plus 4. Now we're going to use the form since we have a plus in between those terms. So notice that 25x squared and 4 are perfect squares. Because what number do we have to square to get 25x squared? We'd have to square 5x. What do we have to square to get 4? We know that it has to be 2. Then we need to check to see if the middle term is twice the product of 5x and 2. Well, the middle term is indeed twice the product because it's 2 times 5x times 2, which is equal to 20x. So therefore, we can confirm that a is equal to 5x. We can confirm that b is 2. And so writing it into the factored form, we have parentheses 5x plus 2 squared, or we can expand it by writing it as 5x plus 2 times 5x plus 2. Okay, similar example, only in this case we have a subtraction. We have 49x squared minus 14x plus 1, and so we're going to use this form, which is the difference of those values squared. Now notice that 49x squared and 1 are perfect squares. So what do we have to square to get 49x squared? 7x. What do we have to square to get 1 is 1. So then check to see if the middle term is twice the product of 7x and 1. So the middle term again is indeed twice the product. 2 times 7x times 1 is equal to 14x. So we can confirm now that a is equal to 7x, b is equal to 1, and then using the factored form, we end up having parentheses 7x minus 1 squared, or we can write this as 7x minus 1 times 7x minus 1.